this is my official entry for NYX Face Awards 2018 and I have created this rainbow queen look which is inspired by obviously all the 7 colors of rainbow. I have already done my foundation and now I am using NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo, using the lighter shade as a base for my eyeshadow as well as to highlight the center of my face, the under eye areas, and blending them well with the help of makeup sponge. Now applying loose powder to bake the highlighted area so that the concealer does not crease and stays as it is for long, dusting off the excess. Now I'll be using the darker shade of NYX Sculpt and Highlight to contour my cheeks, jaws and my nose a bit and blending it well with the sponge. Now set them at place with the contouring powder. For my eyebrows, I decided to keep it bold because it's a dramatic look, filling them heavy-handedly and cleaning the edges with the concealer so that they look sharp and bold. As this look is inspired by the 7 colors of rainbow, I'll be using the brighter colors on the right side, which is going to represent the positive things in life, and the darker shades on the left side, which are going to represent the negative things in our lives. So first doing the right eye, starting off with the red eyeshadow at the corner of my eyes, blending well, going slightly above my crease so that the colors are nicely visible even when my eyes are open. Now we'll apply the next to the red color of Whip Cure, that is the orange eyeshadow, in the center of the eyelid and blending with the red at the same time, slowly building up the color intensity. Likewise applying the yellow shade onto the inner side and blending with the orange. Also applying it on the inner portion of my lower lids. Going back to the red and intensifying it a bit more and dragging it up to the temples. Also applying the rest of the colors and blending them together so that they give a nice gradient look and they don't look harsh. Now let's do the other side, using the very first color of Whip Cure at the corner of my eye, slowly intensifying the color and blending it in the outer crease area. Applying the next color, which is a mix of blue and indigo, in the center of my eyelid and blending it with the purple at the same time. Building up the color until I am satisfied with the intensity. Also adding the green color in the inner part of my eyes and shaping my crease area. Also dragging it to the inner corner of my lower eyelid. Moving back to the violet and intensifying it a bit more and also dragging it to the temples like we did on the left side. Likewise applying the rest of the colors on the left side of my temples and blending them well. Also applying a bit of yellow to blend it with green so that they all look in continuation. Now applying the green eyeshadow on my lower lid on the right side of my face, just next to where I applied yellow, and likewise applying blue and violet to complete the circle, which says everyone has good and bad things in his life and it just depends on us completely that to which things we are going to give more importance. Applying a winged eyeliner followed by a tight lining. Now applying golden glitter eyeliner onto my crease a bit to jazz up the look. Also applying little bit of blush on my cheeks and white kajal on my waterlines. Adding up some mascara and falsies which I did off camera. Now moving on to my lips, I am using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. This lipstick will actually act as a base for my lips, and it will also act as a shield to my lips, as I will be using glitter glue in the next step. Using a blue lipstick on my lower lips to get that violet color. Now applying glitter glue onto the outer part of my lip first, and then topping it up with the pink glitter. Now adding glue in the center of my lips and applying golden glitters. Once satisfied, I will apply the blue glitters on the outer edges. Cleaning the edges with the help of a tissue. Now on the left side of my face, I am applying glitter glue, which will show tearing eyes, and now adding some blue sparkles on it as well. On the right side, I am adding some flower and heart stickies, which will represent the love and happiness in the surrounding. Now highlighting the top of my cheekbones using a pearly white pigment. Also putting it on my nose, brow bone, cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I am using yellow, green, blue, violet and red pigments on my forehead to intensify the colors even more and blending them together. For my chest area, I am using all the 7 shades one by one and blending them well with my hand and a fluffy brush because it makes the job easy. Repeating the same process with the pigments. Also applying the highlighter on my collarbone area. And now applying some glitters and sparkles on top of it. Also sticking on some stickies on my neck so that they don't look left out. Also adding some stones and stickers here and there to add more jazz to the look. Also adding some hair accessories, a flower and a cute little butterfly with a floral tiara on top of my head to complete the look. And yeah, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed in creating it. If you like this look, please show us your love with your lovely comments and hit like and share. Keep supporting, guys. Signing off for now. Lots of love from me to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.